Imagine it's 2026, the world is noisier than ever, and you've just hit absolute zero. No savings, no job, maybe you even just got that "we're letting you go" email. Most people would panic, they'd spiral into the money hangover, that toxic cycle of stress, regret, and survival mode. But if I lost it all today, I wouldn't panic. I'd use a map. This is my brutal, human-first blueprint for students, the recently laid off, and the always broke to rebuild from nothing. No complex bots, just real-world leverage. Today, we turn "I'm broke" into "I've got options." Welcome to the Money Hangover. Phase 1 is about velocity. You need $100 by sunset, and in 2026, you don't get that from a job application. You get it by solving a local, high-friction problem. I'd look for asset-free sourcing. Think about things people own but hate managing, like complex smart home setups or messy digital photo libraries. I'd offer a 2-hour digital cleanup for local seniors or busy parents, $50 a session. If you're a student, sell a premium study kit for the hardest course on campus, not just notes, but a strategy. If you've been dismissed from a job, use your professional skills for consulting microtasks. This isn't your career, it's your oxygen. That first $100 is proof that the world still values your effort. Now, we have to talk about the biggest leak in your boat: friends and family who borrow but never return. When you're rebuilding from zero, you cannot afford to be a personal ATM. Borrowing money from a friend is a bond of trust, but when it's not paid back, it morphs into a toxic debt trap that ruins relationships. In 2026, my rule is simple. Never loan money to family or friends if you actually need it back. Treat it as a gift. If you can't afford to gift it, you must say no. If someone owes you and hasn't paid, be firm. Don't hide behind jokes. Say, "I'm in a financial bind and I need the money I lent you to pay my own bills." If they still don't pay, consider it the cost of learning that they aren't reliable. And stop the cycle there. You cannot rebuild your life while carrying everyone else's financial baggage. With $100, we buy tools. To hit $1,000, we need a skill stack. We stop trading hours for crumbs and start trading results for retainers. Look at local businesses: the plumber, the baker, the boutique. They have amazing skills but terrible digital voices. They don't need social media. They need a ghost operator. Spend your $100 on a high-end portfolio site and a professional email. Offer to manage their customer interactions for free for 1 week. Show them the customers they almost lost because nobody replied to their messages. Then, offer a $500 monthly retainer. 2 clients and you've reached $1,000. You've officially stopped breathing underwater. To hit $10,000, you stop doing and start leading. You turn your ghost operating system into a local growth playbook, a digital course or coaching program. Target the people who were where you were 6 months ago. Sell your blueprint for $150. If 60 people buy it in a month, you've cleared $9,000. Combine that with your service income, and you've hit 5 figures. But remember, making it isn't the same as keeping it. Don't fall back into the money hangover by buying the victory watch. Automate your future. 50% to your freedom fund, 30% to boring index funds, and 20% to live. This is how you win for good. Starting from zero isn't a death sentence, it's a reset. Whether you're a student, laid off, or just tired of being broke, the map is right here. Remember, being broke and lazy is a terrible recipe for a life of regret, so stop complaining and start creating the future you want. Crying about your situation daily won't change your bank account, but consistent discipline will. Life is exactly what you make it, so choose your struggle. The choice is yours. Stay where you are, or start building the wealth and life you deserve today. Subscribe to the Money Hangover, where you finally learn how to keep money, not just spend it, and where we quickly turn "I'm broke" into "I've got options." I'll see you in the next one. Like this video and comment down below with ways which you are keen to adopt. Bye for now.